What's up, guys? The boss Sinus came in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps. Are we there with another?
Inside.
Brand new banger.
Why you doing, John?
Banger! From start. But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Wagwan peeps. The ladies. Question. Wanna see on a timeline and know what going out there yesterday? Yesterday, I see something on Instagram with a pretty much a stepfather beat him 4-year-old stepson till him dead. Yeah, Spanish Town. One stepfather beat him 4-year-old son to death. Alright, before I vent and give my feedback, make we just skim and go through everything. Alright, so them pretty much say a couple from Spanish Town, St. Catherine, right? Have a son, stepson. So the little boy, I say, you know, what's his name? Nashan. Yeah. I say, you know, Pops him not feel so well. And but you can't read everything up here, so. You know what I mean? But me just skim through everything. Little boy say him not feel too well and thing when he might eat the food and he might eat well slow, you know? That there can be multiple reasons why him not feel well. I know a summer now and a baby, one 4-year-old. Right? And thing. So when he might eat slow, the father does beat the boy. Beat the young man. So the mother, it's alleged that the stepfather used a stick. We don't know how big the stick is or how small the stick is. Right? And them also say the stepmother tried to speak to him about how him deal with things. I would tell her if you go do that. Or try that or try to stop during the whole drama. The man take the stick and allegedly take the stick and start wheel or some lick too. What is this going on? Right? Wheel or some lick. Whap. Right? So all of that happened now. The young man pass away. Detective come in yard, talk to them and stuff. Bring the stepfather in a custody. And yo, the thing cut me. I feel a way and I feel a way. What going in some of them man your head? You realize say I want baby that's still in I still want little baby. Still it, you know, talk to the child. Why is it or black race or Jamaican people when we are deal with certain situation, we have to brutalize the pitting them so and thing. You know, find out what go on, you know, talk and watch your child and say you're supposed to know your child move and thing. But anyway, me vexed about the whole situation. And right now, them a do other thing and other investigation just to find out what going on. Me no know, me Sinus is here and she gonna give her feedback on the whole matter. What you think, Miss Sinus, about the whole matter? Just vent, make them just hear your voice.
If I chop off your finger,
you know what I mean? You can't imagine.
I'm not gonna do that to you.
No. You can imagine.
Parents just not know how to deal with things. Period. They just don't know how to deal with certain things. And then just illiterate and ignorant.
You hear that? Yeah, but it's true there. And you know, it's not a first. It's a regular thing in Jamaica. I see all when parents all teach all the little child to do all maths. And the child make a mistake and one big little
Them not them back. Get it in just one day. It's a learning process.
Yeah.
I'm not getting a one day. You learn, you know, and then one day something.
Yeah.
You have some pick now slow and some pick new. Just sit down and have patience with them. That's why some of them can't turn teacher. Most teachers taught them not even have much patience. Because them will lick it them too.
Yeah.
Some of them very abusive.
It's rough. You know what I mean? Yeah, so them also I say when the child get beaten, the child went to the bathroom, right? Where a few minutes later he was found by his stepfather breathing so slowly and before he became unresponsive.
Stepfather going to go quiz and short. I feel so.
You think so?
I feel so. Because if my beat the fitness and he will do anything. You're not even picking the father and you beat him so. That the man don't know no sense. I take up sitting and I don't say nothing on camera. I deal with it in case. What you do for picking?
Yeah. So after that, no.
Beat him. I don't beat him till he bleed. If he does something wrong, yeah. And the people never do nothing wrong.
Yeah.
And a 4-year-old. And I need to beat him.
Well, maybe the stepfather thinks the child will be difficult and stubborn and stuff like that because.
No, it just done.
Yeah, because. Why? What I must say is after he become unresponsive, after 9 p.m. the child was pronounced dead at the Spanish Town Hospital when they bring the baby there.
Oh, so I'm never dead yet?
But he was unresponsive before in the bathroom. See what I say?
Okay.
Yeah, the child reportedly went to the bathroom where minutes later he was found by his stepfather breathing slowly and before he became unresponsive. So that means on him, what kind of beating that? Some Bronco Buster beating that? You see you, my youth, let me tell you something. You see you, people like you, Regine, let me tell you something. You see, if you know say I saw you stay, leave the punishment to the mother. Don't take out your... Say all that to him, I'll beat all the mother too. So clearly we have an abuser right here. We have an abuser right here. And stuff like that, and I hope you get the full force of the justice system. Now, me want to know everybody feedback on the whole matter. I me no want to get vexed and say certain things. No, I try to keep it professional and think, but I just want to hear full feedback on the whole matter. Suppose you come home and you see your 4-year-old son, Nashan, God no, R.I.P. Depend the ground unresponsive and your spouse tell us say no say the boy or the girl I give me beer talking from there. A 4-year-old. Him not name no food and me go wheel him up with some lick.
Me go wheel him back some lick.
You know?
Beat over beat me.
You know what I mean? That's crazy. No, you're not interrupt. Just give me a feedback of that man and me silence.
Them him too wicked.
You know what I mean?
To get hanged by some places.
You know, say, as I said that some places them not mashing up, wicked, but here what? I try to keep it, you know, professional, mature enough. But I want all the Jamaican people to just vent. And just let me know your feedback on the whole matter. You know what I mean? Because me super vexed, but at the same time also it's sad. You know what I mean? This youth future, he don't even start live life yet. You know what I mean? He never enjoy him first. In first. Nothing. He never go to school yet. No friends, no nothing in life. But you gotta tell God,
I think 4-year-old go to school, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And then we go to school and have little friends at preschool, kindergarten. Maybe have little friends, you know.
Never start live life yet. Nothing never start yet. Nothing never start yet. My heart still. Me hear about it and my eye full up of water. And thinking now I feel a way about the whole matter. Ah boy. But let me know your feedback on the whole matter and thing. And so thank you very much for watching. That's our feedback on the whole thing. Cut my hurt. And boy, I have to just pray for the country. Protect our kids. You know what I mean? Not only from dangers like this, but the man them will also rape the pitney them to the little pitney. But that's another topic for another time and thing. We're there about 10 minutes, but let me know your feedback on the whole matter and thing. Happy Tuesday? A Tuesday, right, Miss Inez? Yeah. Yeah. And we're there. And just go and journey with your boy. Ashoo!
Yeah, yeah.